Video lesson in Mathematics 1.
Hello everyone, welcome to Grade 1 Dahlia. Let me introduce first my name. I am teacher Lorifi M. Liamis, your teacher for today. We will be learning about comparing two sets using the expressions less than, more than, and as many as. But before that, we will sing first about the 10 little fingers.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 fingers on my hand. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little fingers, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little fingers, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little fingers, 1 finger on my hand.
Okay, children, what is being mentioned in our song? Yes, it is mentioned in our song about the numbers. What are those numbers, children? Very good. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have here different sets of objects together with a girl named Kendra. Okay, children, look at the pictures. What does Kendra have? Yes, Kendra have papers and notebooks, oranges and apples, tomatoes and bell papers. Which set has less objects if you are going to compare the papers and the notebooks? Okay, very good. The papers has less objects, while the notebooks has more objects. Let's proceed to the oranges and apples. Which set of object has less object? Very good. It is the apple that has less objects, and it is the oranges that has more objects. How about tomatoes and bell papers? There are 3 tomatoes and there are 3 bell papers. So they have the same objects. Today you will be going to compare sets of objects based on their quantity or numbers using the expression less than, more than, and as many as. We use less than when the first set in the left is fewer or lesser than the second set at the right. Example, 2 small mangoes is less than 3 big pineapples. The next expression in comparing quantity is more than. We use more than when the first set in the left is greater or more than the second set at the right. Example, 6 green tennis balls is more than 4 red badminton rackets. The word green and red are what we call describing words. The third expression is as many as. When the two sets in the left and right are equal or have the same number as the other, we use the expression as many as. Example, Father gave Keith 3 face masks and 3 headbands for Keisha. How many headbands do Keisha have? Yes, 3 headbands. How many face masks did Father gave Keith? Yes, Father gave 3 face masks to Keith. Do they have the same quantity of objects? Yes, they have the same quantity of objects. So therefore, 3 face masks is as many as to 3 headbands. We are going to compare the sets of objects using the expression less than, more than, and as many as. Write your answer inside the box. I have here 3 scissors and 3 rollers. Both set has same quantity. So what expression are we going to use? Yes, we use as many as. So therefore, 3 scissors is as many as 3 rollers. Very good. Okay, next, let's proceed to 6 lollipops and 4 candies. Okay, so what expression are we going to use? Very good. We use more than. So 6 lollipops is more than 4 candies. The last one is 1 cane and
4 hearts.
so there is only 1 cane and at the right side is the 4 hearts. So what expression are we going to use? Yes, we use less than. So 1 cane is less than 4 hearts. Let's proceed to our next activity. The instruction here is that you encircle the word true if the statement or expression used is correct, and encircle the word false if the statement or expression used is not correct. Okay, 6 oranges is less than 9 oranges. Very good. So the answer is true. 2 eggplant as many as 3 potatoes. So the answer is false because 2 eggplant is less than 3 potatoes. The next sets of objects are apples and
Mango.
there are 5 apples more than.
1 mango.
So your answer is true. Okay, very good. Now let's go back to the objects given by Father for Keisha and Keith. What are those objects? Yes, it is 3 face masks for Keith and 3 headbands for Keisha. Why did Father give those objects for Keisha and Keith? Father gave Keisha a headband to make her beautiful as always. How about Keith? Why Father gave Keith a face mask? Okay, so a face mask protect Keith from viruses. Are those things important? Yes, it is important. It protects us from illnesses. It protects Keith from illnesses. Okay, mention some other objects using in this time of pandemic. Okay, we can use alcohol. What else? Face shield. And yes, even sanitizer. So those things protects us from illnesses during this time of pandemic. Now let us recall what you have learned today in our lesson. So when do we use less than? When do we use more than? And when do we use as many as? Okay, so we use less than when the first set is fewer or lesser than the second set. Then we use more than when the first set has greater or more object than the second set. And we use as many as if the 2 sets have the same quantity or number of objects. For our evaluation, we are going to use Jamboard. Encircle the correct expression in comparing the sets of objects.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning,
Good
teacher.
morning. Okay, so this morning you will be going to answer our activity about the mathematical expression which is less than, more than, and as many as. Okay, so you are going to compare the sets of objects in the left and in the right. Okay, so Samantha, 3 cups is less than, more than, as many as 2, 4 glasses. Okay, what is your answer, Samantha? Try to encircle your answer. Okay, very good, Samantha. So 3 cups is less than 4 glasses. Yay! Very good, Samantha. Okay, Jumel, you answer number 2. Circle the correct expression in comparing the sets. Okay, you encircle Jomel. Okay, very good, Jumel. So 3 houses in the left is as many as 3 houses in the right. Very good, Jumel. Okay, number 3. There are 8 strawberry donuts in the left and 6 chocolate flavored donuts in the right. Okay, Nicole, try to circle the correct answer, Nicole.
Yes.
Okay, Nicole, you try to encircle the correct answer. Okay, very good, Nicole. So your answer is more than. Okay, so 8 strawberry donuts is more than 6 chocolate flavored donuts. Okay. Thank you, children. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Okay. Did you enjoy our lesson for today? Na-enjoy mo sa atong lesson? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.
For our additional activities, you ask help or supervision from your family. You draw different sets of objects in an illustration board with proper distance, showing the expression less than, more than, and as many as. After that, you color your drawing neatly.
Thank you for watching.